How's it going, everybody? My name is Connor Jones with SoftwareLore.com, and today we're covering DesignEvo. We highly recommend that you go and check out the article in the description of this video. It goes into a little bit more detail, and it follows the same format as the video. So to get to the best experience, just go down there and click on that link. So DesignEvo is a logo designing tool that you can essentially get a very professional looking logo at a really low price. You don't need to go and hire someone to go and make you an entire logo from scratch and pay $100, $200 for that. You can just go on here, select the niche that your specific website or company is in, and then you select a logo that you like the best. So we're going to just select this guy right here. It's just going to ask you for the company name and slogan. You don't need the slogan. I don't see why you wouldn't have a name, but if you just want the logo icon, you can go without. So we're just going to say Software Lore. And our slogan doesn't exist, so we're not going to put a slogan. So it's just going to ask you to do this real quick and log in. It's easiest to just log in with Google. And then you're presented with their editor. So you get a good amount of options here. You can go and kind of make your own stuff. They give you some shapes to work with. This isn't Photoshop, so you don't have full control over it. But they give you a library of icons and different things like that. So if you were to be like, oh, I want a big YouTube play button right in the center, you're able to do that. You can also change the background and the different colors inside of this logo. So we're going to change this to the color scheme of Software Lore. So that is kind of a turquoisey green and orange. There we go. Now it's a Software Lore logo. You can also change the font and move all this stuff around. So if you really want your logo to be over on the left side and the text to be on the right, you can do that, along with resizing any of the assets that you need to have resized and lining them up nice and prettily. So it's a good tool. It works really well. You can go and download the result, but they're gonna have to if you get the free option, it's kind of hidden right here, and that gives you a very low resolution. I think it's around 300 pixels by 300 pixels, and it does not have a transparent background, so you're gonna be getting that white default background or whatever color you have on there. For the most part, you're gonna want to go and get their basic option for $25, and that gives you a super high resolution PNG. And then you have the option to have the transparent background, which is, of course, important if you're including this on a web page or something similar. You're also able to edit and re-download, which is another really nice thing. Say if you need a mobile optimized logo that has some white text or a different size, then you can go and edit it. And then you get a bunch of different little support systems, and if you get the pro version, you can even get SVGs, which is super nice. You can get a little vector graphic of your icon or something. But overall, this is a pretty good tool. There's not a whole lot to go over here. I just wanted to cover it because it's something that I've been using for quite some time. If I ever just need a logo done really quick and for really cheap, I go over here and use their tool. So we give this a 90 out of 100. Just because, I use it and I've never had an issue with their support lines or creating a logo with them. So it comes with great marks from the Software Lore team. But that's it for this review, and we hope you enjoyed. So stick around, maybe give us a like and sub, and we'll see you in the next video.